Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our activity 8, the mirror image of a figure in a Cartesian plane. Objective of this activity is to obtain the mirror image of a given geometrical figure with respect to Cartesian plane, that is x-axis and y-axis. Materials required: graph paper, pencil, colored pencil, eraser, ruler, mirror. Prerequisite knowledge: plotting points on the graph paper, Cartesian system, the perpendicular distance between the mirror and the image of point P is equal to the perpendicular distance between the point P and the mirror. Procedure: draw any figure on the graph paper in first quadrant, say a figure of stairs. For stairs, plot some points, say A 30, B 31, C 21, D 22, E 12, F 13, G 03 with colored pencil. Then join A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now consider y-axis as a mirror. Fold the graph paper along the y-axis to get the image of points A, B, C, D, E, F, G in second quadrant as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash respectively as shown in figure 2. Join A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, and we get the image of the stairs. So figure 2 represents mirror image with respect to y-axis. Then note down the coordinates of images so formed and record them in observation table 1. That is, the mirror image of point A30 is A dash minus 30. B31 mirror image is B dash minus 31. C21 mirror image is C dash minus 21. D22 mirror image is D dash minus 22. E12 mirror image is E dash minus 12. F13 mirror image F dash minus 13. G03 mirror image is G dash 03. Mirror image with respect to x-axis. So this is the figure of mirror image with respect to x-axis. Then observation and calculation of mirror image of these points with respect to x-axis. So this is the table showing the mirror image of A, B, C, D, E, F, G points. So the point A 30 having mirror image A dash 30, B 31 mirror image B dash 3 minus 1, C 21 mirror image is C dash 2 minus 1, D 22 mirror image is D dash 2 minus 2, E12 mirror image is E dash 1 minus 2, F13 mirror image is F dash 1 minus 3, G03 mirror image is G dash 0 minus 3. So this is the observation of the mirror image of points A, B, C, D, E, F, G with respect to x-axis. Result, we have obtained the mirror image of figures along x-axis and y-axis. Thank you.